What up? Scrapping today. You figure we get it done. We got a pile here and we got another pile around the garage to get out. Good there. Go ahead.
Treba se vrli, ovo je gotovo. Sada se vrljama, jutro će tražim ja. Pod zemlja I pod noge.
There you go. Throw it throw it out. Throw it out.
Ovdje vidim nešto.
Throw it out.
Nešto
He can't get himself to throw it out. There you go. We're trying to clear out the garage, but there's things he doesn't want to get rid of. Okay, that's it for today's cleaning of the garage. How do you feel about it? You feel good?
Garage is clean, very good. Just people who clean garage is very bad because too much work. Too much work and gonna be soon ready.
Okay. Okay, well, we're gonna work on it. Let's see what we got out of here. We filled the pickup truck. It's gonna be good. It's getting late today. It's getting dark. So we're gonna take it to the scrapyard tomorrow. See how much we get.
Oh, tomorrow.
Yeah, because it's late right now.
Okie dokie.
I gotta get a part for the Saturn, and my brother's gotta get the Trans Am out of here. Then everything, it's one more load of stuff, and I think that's it.
Okie dokie. Zoki poki.
Okay. Oh, and let's see what we got done over here. Big Al came in, he put quartz counter in. It looks good. Looks like I have to grout this here, needs grouting. The electrical needs to be done and all the plumbing needs to be done, but we'll get to that. All right, here we are. We're gonna get some dinner tonight. And tomorrow morning we're gonna go Take that stuff to the scrapyard. Scrapping with Pops. All right, we're gonna go get a check to give to the carpet guy so he can install the carpet this weekend. Then Dennis can clean the carpet. Then we got this load of scrap in the back. I don't know if we're just gonna throw it out or go to the scrapyard and dump it. Then we got another load we got to pick up from the house of the countertops. They had Big Al installed, but the old countertops are on the back porch. So we're gonna run around and see what we can get done. Alright, we're going to change the carpet in this room. Let's see which one we're going to pick. I think I'm going to go with this middle one here. Alright, we're drinking some organic carrot juice here. Cheers. Alright. It's good stuff. Gonna dump it right here. This is the last time we'll probably go scrapping. Alright, we did some scrapping. We've done scrapping a couple times in the past throughout our day. And this is the last time we're ever gonna scrap. I don't have any more intentions of ever scrapping again. It's like you gotta get them pissed off. We gotta get back on the scale. Way out. All these cars are getting scrapped. Scrapyard. They need your ID here and your plate number to make sure you're not stealing copper or aluminum or something. So I have to get my plate number. There you go, we scrapped 62 bucks. I had to take my fingerprint too. I gotta go to the ATM over here and get my cash. Somebody's in there or what? I know the semi's in there. How do you do this? You gotta scan it here somewhere. This barcode. What do you do? Enter. Where do you scan it? Right up here? Please wait. Get the spits out cash. The cashola. Come on. There you go. Boom. $62. Hello. How you doing? All right, we got the 62 bucks. We filled up the tank with 150 bucks, 120 bucks it was. We didn't use it up today, but yeah. get out of here before I get a flat tire on all this metal. All right, we're done scrapping for the day. I gotta meet the carpet guy maybe tomorrow. Give him the check so he can start on the carpet.